20 steps to a perfect hair care routine. Are you tired of bad hair days and struggling to find a routine that works for you? Having a good hair care routine is key to having healthy, beautiful hair. It helps to nourish and protect your hair, leaving it strong and shiny. A good routine can also boost your confidence and make you feel more put together. By using the right products and techniques, you can prevent common problems like split ends, breakage, and frizz. With a little effort, you can achieve the hair you've always wanted and feel like the best version of yourself. Taking care of your hair is an investment in your overall health and well-being. By making hair care a priority, you can enjoy healthy, gorgeous hair that makes you feel confident and beautiful. A hair care routine is not just about looking good, it's also about feeling good. By finding a routine that works for you, you can say goodbye to bad hair days and hello to a lifetime of healthy, beautiful hair. Let's start the video. Washing your hair. Washing your hair is an essential part of any hair care routine, as it helps to remove dirt, oil, and product buildup from your scalp and hair. However, washing your hair can also strip it of its natural oils, leading to dryness and damage. To wash your hair effectively, here are some tips. Use lukewarm water to wash your hair, as hot water can strip your hair of its natural oils. Choose a gentle shampoo that is suitable for your hair type, whether it's dry, oily, or combination. Massage your scalp gently to remove dirt and oil, but avoid scrubbing too hard. Focus on the scalp when applying shampoo, as this is where most oil and dirt accumulates. Rinse your hair thoroughly to remove all soap residue. Avoid overwashing your hair, as this can lead to dryness and damage. Use a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo if you have color-treated or damaged hair. Consider washing your hair in the morning rather than at night to help preserve your hair's natural oils while you sleep. Conditioning and moisturizing. Conditioning and moisturizing are crucial steps in any hair care routine, as they help to nourish and hydrate your hair, leaving it soft, smooth, and manageable. After washing your hair, it's essential to condition and moisturize to lock in moisture and protect your hair from damage. Here are some tips to help you condition and moisturize your hair effectively. Use a deep conditioning treatment once or twice a week to provide an intense dose of moisture and nourishment to your hair. Focus on the ends of your hair, as they tend to be the driest and most prone to damage. Use a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush to gently distribute the conditioner and detangle your hair. Choose a conditioner that is formulated for your hair type, whether it's dry, oily, or combination. Use a leave-in conditioner or hair serum to provide ongoing nourishment and moisture to your hair throughout the day. Avoid applying conditioner to your scalp, as this can weigh your hair down and cause oiliness. Rinse your hair with cold water to seal the cuticles and lock in moisture, leaving your hair feeling smooth and looking shiny. Using hair masks. A hair mask is a deep conditioning treatment that nourishes and moisturizes your hair. It helps to repair damage, hydrate dryness, and add shine and softness to your tresses. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of your hair mask. Select a mask that suits your hair type and needs. Consider your hair's texture, porosity, and concerns when making your selection. Apply the mask to your hair after shampooing, from roots to ends. Make sure to cover all your hair evenly for maximum benefits. Leave the mask on for 15-30 minutes to allow it to penetrate and nourish your hair. You can also leave it on overnight for an intense treatment. Use a warm towel or shower cap to help the mask work better. Heat opens up your hair cuticles, allowing the mask to penetrate deeper. Rinse the mask out thoroughly with lukewarm water. Make sure to remove all residue to prevent buildup and weigh down. Use a hair mask once or twice a week for best results. Regular use can help maintain healthy, shiny, and manageable hair. Protecting hair from heat damage. Protecting your hair from heat damage is crucial to maintaining its health and integrity. Heat styling tools can cause damage, dryness, and breakage, especially if used excessively or without proper protection. Here are some tips to help you protect your hair from heat damage. Apply a heat protectant spray or serum before using heat styling tools to create a barrier between your hair and heat. This helps prevent damage and dryness. Use the cool shot button on your blow dryer to set your style and seal the cuticles. This can help add shine and reduce frizz. Avoid over-drying your hair with heat styling tools, as this can cause damage and dryness. Stop drying when your hair is still slightly damp. Use a heat protectant spray that contains antioxidants to help protect your hair from heat damage and environmental stressors. Air dry your hair instead of using heat styling tools whenever possible. This can help minimize damage and preserve your hair's natural moisture. Preventing split ends and breakage. Preventing split ends and breakage is a crucial part of maintaining healthy and beautiful hair. Split ends and breakage can make your hair look dull, brittle, and damaged, but with the right care and techniques, you can help prevent them. Here are some tips to help you prevent split ends and breakage. Get regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks to prevent split ends and keep your hair healthy. Use gentle hair care products that are formulated for your hair type to prevent dryness and breakage. Avoid excessive heat styling and use a heat protectant spray to prevent damage. Be gentle when combing and use a wide-tooth comb or detangling brush to prevent breakage. Use a hair mask to nourish and moisturize your hair, repairing damage and preventing breakage. Choosing the right hair products. Choosing the right hair products is a crucial part of any hair care routine, as it can greatly impact the health and appearance of your hair. With so many products available, it can be overwhelming to decide which ones to use, but by selecting products that are tailored to your hair type and needs, you can achieve the best results. Here are some tips to help you choose the right hair products. Know your hair type and choose products formulated for your hair's specific needs. Read labels carefully and opt for products free from harsh chemicals and sulfates. Choose products for your hair concerns, such as dryness, dandruff, or color-treated hair. Consider natural ingredients, like coconut oil, argan oil, or shea butter for nourishment. Detangling and combing. Detangling and combing are essential steps in any hair care routine, as they help to gently work out tangles and knots while minimizing breakage and damage. Proper detangling and combing techniques can help to preserve your hair's natural texture and shine. Here are some tips to help you with detangling and combing. Use a wide-tooth comb or detangling brush to gently work out tangles and knots. Detangle in sections starting from the ends and working your way up. Be gentle when detangling and combing to prevent breakage and damage. Use a conditioner or detangling spray to make detangling easier. Avoid combing when dry and instead comb your hair when it's damp or wet. Drying and styling. Drying and styling are crucial steps in any hair care routine, as they can greatly impact the health and appearance of your hair. Proper drying and styling techniques can help prevent damage, frizz, and breakage, while also enhancing your hair's natural texture and shine. Here are some tips to help you with drying and styling. Air dry or diffuse to minimize heat damage and preserve your hair's natural texture. Use a microfiber towel to gently blot excess moisture and reduce friction. Avoid rubbing your hair with a towel and instead gently blot or squeeze out excess moisture. Use a heat protectant spray or serum before using heat styling tools to prevent damage. Style with gentle products that are formulated for your hair type to enhance your hair's natural texture. Nighttime hair care. Nighttime hair care is an essential part of maintaining healthy and beautiful hair. While you sleep, your hair can be prone to tangling, breakage, and dryness, but with the right care, you can wake up with gorgeous, healthy-looking locks. Here are some tips to help you with nighttime hair care. Use a silk or satin pillowcase to reduce friction and prevent hair breakage. Braid or bun your hair to prevent tangling and knotting while you sleep. Use a hair serum or oil to nourish and moisturize your hair before bed. Use a satin scarf or bonnet to protect your hair while you sleep and prevent frizz. Keep your hair tied loose if you tie it up at night to prevent breakage and hair loss. Regular trims and maintenance. Regular trims and maintenance are essential to keeping your hair healthy and looking its best. Trimming your hair regularly helps prevent split ends and breakage, while maintaining your hair through regular care and attention can help keep it strong and resilient. Here are some tips to help you with regular trims and maintenance. Schedule regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks to prevent split ends and breakage. This can help keep your hair healthy and prevent damage. Ask your stylist to dust off split ends instead of cutting off too much hair. This can help preserve length while still removing damage. Use a hair serum to nourish and protect your hair. Serums can help lock in moisture and reduce frizz. Be gentle when combing or brushing your hair to prevent breakage. Use a wide-tooth comb or a detangling brush to gently detangle your hair. Regularly monitor your hair's health and adjust your care routine as needed. If you notice damage or breakage, consider changing your products or styling habits.